No.
POV me editing YouTube videos.
Here.
Well, let's go see. Bo has the hiccups.
Ha, you noticed.
Whoa, whoa! Ian goes, I know the Kia for hiccups. Bam! It's like getting scared as the Kia just points a gun at the head. What?
Oh wait, there's
Oh.
no more whooping.
Oh. Medics!
Oh,
Oh!
never mind. Did he just die?
No, Ian, 50 bucks to jump in.
I thought it was like the other level where you could sit on it, just not touch it with your hands. I may or may not have done a nosedive straight into it, but like whatever.
I just died too. We have his stuff. We'll just keep it here. You and Ian come back. Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at. But we are on the ground. Oh! We're gonna try to go. Fun!
No. I hate you.
We're all going.
Watch this.
I'll do it. Yeah!
I see nothing.
Wow.
Alright.